Welcome to Divya Ved Yoga. I am Divya, and today we are going to tell you few movements and asanas which are good for the pain around neck, shoulder and cervical pain. So let's see how to do it. You can do it anywhere, on the mat, on the chair, sitting comfortably. So let's see how to do it. So hands on your knee, slowly move your neck towards the left side, then front, move your neck towards the right side and front. We will do this movement 4 times, so you can do with me. Move towards the left, slow and steady movement, and center, then right and center. Again moving towards the left and center, right and center. Again towards the left, center, right, center. One more time, left, center. We call it Datta Mudra. Right and center, and relax. Now we are going to move our neck, bend our neck towards the left like this. Try to touch your ear on the shoulder, and the same we will do with the right side. So let's do together. Slowly move your neck towards the left. Try to touch your ear on the shoulder, then slowly coming in the center, then right, center, again left, center, right, center. 2 more time, left. Try to coordinate with your breath. Center, right. It should be very slow and comfortable. And center. 1 more time, left, center, and right, and center, and right. Now we will do shoulder movements. So put your fingertips on your shoulders. So slowly try to touch your elbows if possible. If not possible, everything is fine. If your elbow is a little apart, it's perfectly fine. And if you can touch it, it's good. Then slowly start moving your shoulder. Try to make a circle, big circle, as big as possible for you. Or if you can't make so very big circle, you can make a small circle. Coordinate with your breath. Slowly exhaling, come back. Again inhaling, making a big circle. Exhaling, coming back. Inhaling, make a circle, and exhaling back. Now same we will do anti-clockwise direction. Inhaling, moving your hands towards back side, then front. Again inhaling, moving back side, and exhaling, coming front. We are doing it 4 times clockwise and 4 times anti-clockwise. 3, moving back and exhaling, coming front. 1 more time. Inhaling and exhaling, and relax, and shrug your shoulder, move little up and down, so you will shoulder get free. Now slowly raise your arms from your side, shoulder level. Your arms should be shoulder level, and then start moving your palms little front, up, and then back. Then again front, down and back. We will do 3 more times. Then down, front, back, up and back. Same, up, front, down and back. 2 more times. Bringing your palms to facing towards the ground, then facing toward the front, then up and back. Again, bringing it front, down, and moving it towards the back side. One more time, facing it towards the ground, then front, then up, and towards the back side. Now from tabletop position, coming into the tabletop position, your hands just below your shoulders, your knees just under your hips, and from here, inhaling, push your belly down, make an arch in your spine. Your spine should be making an arch and look up. Roll your shoulder back side, open up your chest. And exhaling, make a hunch in your spine, push your belly upside, try to touch your chin on the chest and rolling your shoulder front. Now this movement, this asana, Marjari asana, we will do 3 more times. So inhaling up and exhaling down. Try to do it with a very slow and steady movement. Try to coordinate with your breath. Again, inhaling, slowly moving your belly down, make an arch in your spine, look up, open up your chest, feel the stretching effect in your spine, and exhaling, moving your neck down, pushing your belly up, making a hunch in your back. Again, inhaling, making an arch in your spine, looking up, and exhaling down. One more time, inhaling up and exhaling down. And slowly coming into the normal tabletop position. Now from here we will do hand traction. So from tabletop position, your spine is in neutral position, tabletop position. From here, extend your right arm, bring it to shoulder level and slowly bring it down. Again, extend your left arm, bring to your shoulder level and down. Again, right hand up and slowly bringing it down. Again, left arm up, you can look towards the ground or front, whatever is comfortable for you, and slowly coming down. Again, right hand up and bring it down. Left arm up and bring it down. The few moments in asanas will be very beneficial to getting rid of the pain around shoulder, neck and cervical pain. So I hope you will enjoy the video. If you have any questions, any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. So thank you.